Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best thread and floss is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any crafter's arsenal, offering unparalleled precision for intricate embroidery, delicate needlework, and even everyday mending tasks, making it an indispensable item for both seasoned artisans and enthusiastic beginners alike who seek to bring their creative visions to life with vibrant colors and durable stitches. Number 5. Rainbow Color Friendship Bracelet String 50 Skeins. Unleash your creativity with 50 vivid rainbow colors. These vibrant and engaging shades are perfect for any project you have in mind. Crafted from 100% high-quality mercerized cotton, each strand is 8.75 yards long with 6 strings. Enjoy a smooth and durable crafting experience. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This embroidery kit set is an ideal present for your family or friends who love to create. These rainbow color strings are perfect for making friendship bracelets, arts and crafts, cross-stitch, and more. They are a great choice for beginners. We are here to help. Enjoy our 24/7 customer support for any questions or assistance you may need with your purchase. What we like? This set offers a fantastic spectrum of 50 vibrant rainbow colors, perfect for any project. If you're looking to create a wide variety of colorful friendship bracelets or other crafts, this is an excellent choice. Its high-quality mercerized cotton ensures durability and a nice sheen for your creations. What people say. The thread is strong and does not fray easily, making it ideal for detailed embroidery. The floss comes in a wide variety of vibrant colors, perfect for any project. The packaging is convenient, keeping the threads organized and tangle-free. Number 4. Rainbow Color Embroidery Floss Kit. Unleash your creativity with this premium embroidery floss set. It features a stunning rainbow of colors, perfect for all your crafting needs. You'll receive 105 skeins of high-quality, 100% cotton embroidery thread. It's ideal for crafters and anyone who loves making friendship bracelets. Explore approximately 35 different vibrant colors in each pack, inspired by the DMC floss color chart. Each strand is 6-ply and 8.75 yards long, providing ample material for any project. This kit includes 10 sturdy embroidery needles and a threader, all conveniently packed in a strong storage case. You'll have everything you need to get started. This multipurpose thread is fantastic for DIY projects like friendship bracelets, cross-stitch, string art, and tassels. It's also a great embroidery kit for beginners. Please note that if children are using these string art supplies, strict adult supervision is required at all times. What we like? With 105 skeins and approximately 35 different colors, this pack provides great value and variety for crafters. It also conveniently includes 10 embroidery needles and a threader, making it a complete starter kit. If you're a beginner or someone who enjoys making friendship bracelets and wants an all-in-one package, this is ideal. What people say. This floss is soft and easy to use, does not fray too much, and looks beautiful in the finished product. This thread is very strong and soft, not itchy like other brands we've tried in past. The colors are current and vary from pastel to brights. Number 3. Mira HandCrafts 12 Acrylic Yarn Skeins Kit. Unleash your creativity with this beginner-friendly yarn kit. It includes 12 skeins of premium acrylic yarn, offering a total of 1,312 yards in a variety of bright colors. Crafted from 100% acrylic, this yarn is both soft and sturdy. It's designed to maintain its vibrant colors even after washing, ensuring your projects look great for longer. Add a pop of color to your next project with this beautifully dyed yarn. Its softness and vibrant shades make it perfect for creating eye-catching amigurumi, scarves, and more. This versatile yarn is suitable for crafters of all ages. Its lightweight and knot-free nature makes it easy to work with for various DIY crafts, plushies, and thoughtful gifts. Experience the perfect balance of strength and softness. This yarn is ideal for creating cozy blankets and intricate granny squares, offering both durability and comfort. Kickstart your crafting journey with included ebooks filled with project ideas. This kit provides everything you need to get started with crocheting and knitting, regardless of your skill level. What we like? This option provides a substantial 1,312 yards of premium acrylic yarn across 12 vibrant skeins. If you're interested in larger projects like scarves, throws, or amigurumi and want yarn that is durable, soft, and easy to care for, this is a great pick. Its machine washable feature ensures your creations stay bright and beautiful. What people say. The 40 assorted colors acrylic yarn set by Mira HandCrafts is fantastic for anyone who loves crocheting or knitting. The variety of colors is impressive, making it easy to find the perfect shade for any mini project. The yarn is soft, easy to work with, and doesn't tangle easily, which is a big plus. The yarn is soft, and has held up very well in the washer and dryer. It's really pretty soft, and has held up very well in the washer and dryer. Great range of colors, and good length. This yarn is really nice. It's a decent size skein for the value of the package, and the colors are so vibrant and really pretty. The yarn is soft to touch, and it looks well put together. Number 2. Leisure Arts Crochet Thread Bookmarks Book. Unleash your creativity with this delightful book. Learn to craft beautiful bookmarks using crochet thread. Explore a variety of patterns, from simple to intricate. These designs are perfect for adding a personal touch to your reading. Create handmade gifts that are sure to be cherished. These bookmarks make thoughtful presents for any occasion. This book guides you on using fine crochet threads to achieve delicate and durable results. Add a touch of handmade charm to your favorite books. These unique creations will make every page turn special. Follow clear, easy to understand instructions and helpful diagrams. You'll be creating stunning bookmarks in no time. What we like. This product is a specialized book focused on creating crochet bookmarks. If you're specifically looking to learn or find new patterns for making unique bookmarks with crochet thread, this is the perfect resource. It's designed to be beginner-friendly, guiding you through the process with clear instructions. What people say. Patterns are easy to read and follow. Like the illustrations, both color and the black and white stitch diagram. A super little book containing 10 delicate lacy patterns for bookmarks. It is printed with quality paper, which is a bonus as I will be using it a lot. Excellent instructions, and pictures with diagram as well as written instructions for all the bookmarks. Number 1. PAON 240 Skeins Embroidery Floss. Discover the vibrant world of PAON Embroidery Floss. With 240 skeins in 120 beautiful colors, you have everything you need for any project. Crafted from 100% Egyptian long staple cotton, these threads offer a smooth, mercerized finish. They are perfect for creating friendship bracelets, cross-stitch, and various DIY crafts. Whether you're making friendship bracelets, engaging in children's crafts, or exploring cross-stitch, these threads provide enough color and quantity for all your creative endeavors. This kit is ideal for beginners and experienced crafters alike. It's a perfect choice for anyone looking to start their embroidery journey or add to their collection. Please be aware of counterfeit products. Ensure you are purchasing the genuine PAON quality for the best crafting experience. We are here to help with our 7x24 hours customer service. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Boasting an impressive 240 skeins in 120 different colors, this set offers unparalleled variety for extensive crafting. Made from 100% Egyptian long staple cotton, it promises superior quality and a beautiful finish. If you are a serious crafter who needs a vast color selection and high-quality material for numerous projects, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. This embroidery thread is soft but durable. The crafting uses for this product is unlimited. It's easy to use and it works well. This embroidery floss is great for making bracelets, cross-stitch, or darning. Comes in a multitude of colors, great length, and you can change the thickness by separating strands. This bag came with so many colors, there are a lot of options for whatever look you are going for. The thread did not unravel or fray at all for me despite them being handled a lot while working. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.